anything that you wanted to imagine. What if I could tell you that you can make it? Makerspace has all the kinds of tools that you want and has all the kinds of supportive teachers that can help you guide through the journey to learning how to build anything you want.
At Makerspace, there's like a bunch more specific things to learn about. At school, it's like more broad, lightly going over topics, not really going to deeper into them. But at Makerspace, it's the complete opposite, and you just do a deeper dive into each topic.
I feel like there was more opportunity for hands-on learning here, and it kind of resembled I feel like how college classes would also go with the hands-on. When I did that engineering primer, then I got to see the problems and resolve it in real time, and it kind of helped me learn and grow in my problem-solving skills. Once you come out of the class, you feel like you've opened up a whole new pathway to your learning.
One thing that we did the first time I was here that I really enjoyed was we made a pie game console. And I actually got to take it home. It's so cool. You can boot up any pie game on it. It's so much fun, and being able to physically put it together and then also go online to get it all connected and everything was incredible.
If I want to be an engineer, there are two types of engineering I'm looking at right now, mechanical and electrical. This program kind of opened opportunities for me that I'm going to take in the future. It's free, you get to come hang out with your friends, and you get to 3D print all day. To me, that sounds like a pretty good deal.
There is no program like this in Connecticut that provides you this much support, this much opportunities.
It's really fun, it's really creative, you can meet some new people.
This place has everything, anything that you can think of, and it has the support too. If you're not coming here, I don't know what you're doing.